I just received my new lightsaber from Superneox. I'm going to show you what's in the box and also teach you how to do the lotus spin. It looks like this. So let's take a look at what I got. So I ordered the Beskar Echo in 32-inch blade. So we've got the blade just here, 32-inch, and we've got our hilt. That's the bottom right there. I was holding it upside down. This is it. Nice sleek design. Nice and simple. I do a lot of spinning with my sabers, so when I'm looking to buy a new saber, I'm always looking for something that's really minimal up the top of the hilt. This is where I normally hold it for spinning, as you'll see in the tutorial very soon. So I don't want too much going on up here. So this one is absolutely perfect. You can see here, I've just put the grub screws in here to secure the blade in. So I'll show you that in a second. I've also got this here for the hilt, so this screws on, so once the blade goes on, we can screw this on. This is probably good for dueling. I don't do a lot of dueling, but this will definitely protect your hand and also looks pretty cool as well. So there's the saber. Alright, let's put it together. So super simple. Also went with the Neopixel SN-V4 Pro is the new one. And I always go with the Neopixel. I've never gotten a baselit saber. I think the Neopixel ones look way better, but personal preference and also based on price as well. So just slot this straight in, nice and simple. This also has a really cool feature of the charging cable. I've had one saber before in the past and it was batteries and you would have to constantly take them out, charge them up, and it is not ideal. So if you're looking at buying your first saber, make sure that it's got one of these charging cables. It's super simple for this one here. Sometimes they have it in the port just here, but for this one you basically just screw it off, nice and simple, and you just plug it in and charge it up and it's good to go. Alright, so we'll screw this back on. Hopefully this one's charged up, ready to go. And I've just got a little Allen key here. I will just tighten the blade in. So just make sure that you put the blade all the way down to the end, and then we're just going to give that a little bit of a tighten up so we don't lose it while we're doing our spinning. And I'm going to turn it on and just show you some of the features of this saber. Alright, nice and simple, twisting it on. I always like to give it a little tug to make sure that it's okay. Yeah, nice and secure just here. And I'll put this on as well. So we just slide this straight down. And again, just screwing that on. And it is good to go. Like I said, nice and sleek, easy to use, easy to spin as well. So to turn it on, we are just going to press that button, hold it down, and it should fire up. Let's go through some of the settings. So to turn it on, it has gesture control. So you can spin it, you can push forward, it should slide up when you push forward like this. To turn it off, it's a simple little turn of the wrist. You can also use the buttons to turn it on and off as well. Super loud, this is on the loudest setting. Smooth swing. Flash on flash. So to change the volume settings, you just hold this down, it flashes once. Low volume. Let's have a look at that. A little bit quieter. And we've also got mute as well. So I shot the video tutorial in mute so you could actually hear me talking. So this is nice if you don't want to, because this saber is very, very loud when it's on loud. So this is a good option if you want to practice without annoying everybody in your family with the constant sound of the lightsaber. I love it though. Alright, so let's turn it off. Let's flick through some of the settings. Let's take a look at some of the sound fonts. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Just turn the sound up a little bit. That's better. It's really hard to spin while you're kneeling as well. Alright, let's do one more. One more. bunch of different ignitions as well. The suspense. That one's cool. Alright, it would take me absolutely all day to go through all of them. Know that there is so many features of this. I'm really loving it. I've already been spinning it, but I'm going to shoot you a tutorial right now to show you how to do the Lotus.